Welcome back, Shop Rats. Today on Talk About It Tuesday, we're going to talk about
taking a little bite
out of your project. Let's watch the show intro. We'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike, and this is My Car Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
I've said it before, and I will probably say it again until you're sick of hearing it, but we have the best community on YouTube as far as I'm concerned. The MKS community is just mind-blowing. You guys are amazing. I've been getting a lot of feedback lately on the whole concept of one bite at a time. And I actually had one of the viewers actually request me to do a little more discussion about that. And I thought, hey, that's a great topic for Talk About It Tuesday. Especially since I've done, up to this point now, probably 3 or 4, or I don't know, maybe 10 by now, little episodes where I've been struggling with some health issues and recovering and just scattered in a lot of directions. And I've been practicing what I preach, just about taking and doing episodes that are just one little bite at a time. We did cowl patch, and we did some floor pan cleanup in a couple of places, and well, we've just done some stuff. And you know, it's I always feel like I want to put out something that's epic. You know, I want to put out a 30 or a 45 minute episode and give you guys some real meat to chew on. But then I'm like confronted by being a hypocrite, because doing the channel is also just about taking one little bite, right? So all of that to say that we've had some great feedback from you guys and gals who are practicing that and saying, you know what? Rather than going out and standing in the shop for 6.8 hours and accomplishing nothing because I'm overwhelmed, I'm just taking a bite. And that bite leads me to taking another bite, and then I take another bite. And I know I can always run out there and take out a couple bolts, or take a piece of sandpaper and sand this, or grab a wire brush and clean that, or throw that in the sandblasting cabinet, or weld in a couple spots here, or make a little patch there. Well, that's what it's all about, right? That's what taking a bite is all about. And I find that's bigger picture. I apply that to my day job, I apply that to the band YouTube channel, and I apply that to working in the studio where we're finishing up our latest and newest full album that we're going to be releasing soon. And I find that I apply that to the Our Place YouTube channel, and of course I'm applying it here to the MKS channel. And well, there's just a lot of stuff going on, right? And if I don't focus on little bite-sized pieces, it's difficult to accomplish anything, because quite frankly, I am lazy, whether you believe that or not, and I'm not nearly as efficient as I could be. But I tend to be like a Tasmanian devil when I do things. I do nothing and then get a lot done, and then do nothing and get a lot done. And well, you know, I'm just that way, and that's the way I've always been. So go like gangbusters and then take a break. I find the bite philosophy can apply to anything in life. You don't have to accomplish huge things, and you can overwhelm yourself to the point of being paralyzed and accomplish nothing. And it's better to accomplish a little something than to accomplish a lot of nothing. And that's what I love. I love hearing the feedback. Go ahead and hold the microphone right to the amplifier and drop some comments down there about how you're finding adopting the bite mindset is changing the way you approach things. If you're doing it, which a lot of you tell me that you are. But how is it working for you? Because I know the transformation.
I have felt the power of the bite philosophy. I'm here preaching it to you right now.
I mean, the fact is, I've never actually eaten an elephant, so I wouldn't know. But I like the principle. I like the idea of you eat an elephant one bite at a time. And I think a lot of these projects feel very gargantuan to us. And these little bites, we can get it knocked out before you can even imagine. All right, those are my thoughts, but I really covet your feedback other than putting the microphone to the speaker. I really covet hearing from you and knowing your thoughts, and really would appreciate you just dropping some comments down there and spread the word, because we can change the world. We can grow this channel. We can accomplish anything one bite at a time. See how I brought that around there? Wasn't that cool? That'll do it for this one. We're over on the Face thing. We're over on Instagram. She loves us. We are here on the You thing, so hit that bell, like, subscribe, not necessarily in that order. And one more thing, don't forget, it's important.
Rock!